Hi friends, this is Satish Rawal and I am going to teach you degrees of adjectives today, right? This is one of the most interesting lessons in English grammar, right? And it's easy to understand. I am trying to teach you in a very simple way, right? Actually, in grammar, so positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree, equality, right? I have given example of each. Positive, big. Suppose adjective is big, right? Comparative is bigger. Superlative is biggest. Equality is as big as, right? Now, how we speak this language? For example, I have 3 books in my hands. Okay. Now the first book I am showing, this is a big book, right? You see, this is a big book. Then now I am comparing with some book. We use this comparative degree when we compare something with something or someone with someone. Then only we use this degree, otherwise we don't use this degree. Now I want to say this you see this black book, this is bigger than this book. You see the size, right? See the size, this is bigger than this book. Now if I am going to use this biggest one, right? Now I am saying this is the biggest book. This red one is the biggest book. I am using this language here, biggest, because if you compare the size, you find all these 3 books are different in size, right? So size wise I used big, bigger, biggest. Now we use equality. What is this? When 2 things are of similar size or 2 people are of similar quality, there is no difference, and in that situation we use that. I just give one more example, right? I have 2 paperweights, right? 2 paperweights in my hands, right? But I am saying this blue and one yellow one, right? And blue paperweight is as big as this paperweight, yellow one, right? As big as. Now you have to understand this. I am just going to write what is the changes we make. First of all, most of single syllable words end with er. Suppose you say somebody is tall. Now what you are doing, you are writing taller, T-A-L-L-E-R, you are using er. When you make comparison, you are using er. When you are writing tallest, T-A-L-L-E-S-T, you are using E-S-T. That means in normal English adjectives, we are using er and E-S-T to make comparative and superlative degrees. That is so easy. It's very easy. Take one more example, right? Short, shorter, shortest. Okay, short, shortest, shortest. Now let me take some irregular adjectives. Okay, in where we don't use er-est, we use more, most. Beautiful. Now if you say beautifuler, it's going to be incorrect English. In this situation we are writing more beautiful. This happens because of pronunciation. We can't sound beautiful, and there is no such word in dictionary. Always verify with dictionary. When you cross check with dictionary, dictionaries are the best books available in the world because they never misguide you, and there is a lot to learn from. Right here I am using more, most. This time I am writing most beautiful, right? Most beautiful. Here how we use this? When we use something in our sentence form, how we use this? For a positive degree, we do not anything else. Suppose Shyama is a beautiful girl, right? Syama is a beautiful girl. Now when you make a sentence Syama is a beautiful girl, you are not comparing Syama with anyone, right? But suppose you compare one more girl with Syama now, and now you are writing Renu is more beautiful than Syama. Here in this sentence, you see, you are comparing Renu with Syama. There are two persons you are comparing, and then you are using more beautiful. So, comparative degree, right? Now, if I write Nishu is the most beautiful girl, here in this situation, Nishu is the most beautiful girl. Here superlative degree means no girl is more beautiful than Nishu, right? So three names I have used: Syama, Renu and Nishu. The last one is Nishu is the most beautiful girl. Here in this situation I am using the also with, this is the learning point here. We usually use the with superlative degree, right? So the biggest, the tallest, the shortest, the fattest, the hottest, the coolest, the coldest, the. Keep in mind we are using the with superlative degree, and then the sentence is going to be correct. Otherwise there will be grammatical error. These two. So once again you see the sentences. Syama is a beautiful girl. You are not comparing Syama with anyone. Renu is more beautiful than Syama. You want to say Renu has more beauty than Syama, and that's why Renu is more beautiful than Syama. Here in the third sentence, Nishu is the most beautiful girl. That means here among all the girls, she is the most beautiful. You are using superlative degree, means no other girl is as beautiful as Nishu. Here one example is written equality. In equality you are actually using as adjective as. Rule is so simple: as plus adjective plus as. Rule is so simple. Now suppose one more girl is there and her name is Mamta, and I think, in my opinion, Syama and Mamta are equally good, equally beautiful, right? So how I will write here? Syama is as beautiful as Mamta. Syama is as beautiful as Mamta. Now there are two girls, but they are equally beautiful. Okay, there are two girls, Syama and Mamta, and they are equally beautiful. And that's why using this language, Syama is as beautiful as Mamta. Okay, hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to it yet.